This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I'll show how you can enable the package detection feature in this camera. So to start, you will need to first have your premium subscription active, then take your phone, launch the ARLO Secure app. Here, open your location preferences, go into package detection, select your camera here to enable it. Or to disable it, just unselect it like so. And once enabled, if you were to open the information field here, it will tell us that once the camera smart software will detect the package, it will send you the package notification. Or just will tell you, hey, your package has arrived. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.